Okay, then I continue because I will do this second presentation on behalf of my colleague Maggie. That she takes care of a program that we currently have and another one, Supernovas, that it's very much focused on women in manufacturing. How can we support them? How can we reduce the gender gap that we currently have? So Leaders, it's a program that was developed last year, and it's for women innovators that they were leading innovation projects, or they were playing a key role in the development of those innovative solutions. And this program was built around 2 stages. First one, an application period where women innovators could apply, and then 30 of them will be pre-selected, let's say, and they were receiving support for pitching and those type of activities. Then they will prepare a video from where they will show their innovation through this pitch, and 6 of them will be pre-selected to go to the final. And they will, last year was built like it will be built this year. They will participating in EIT Manufacturing Summit, that is our biggest event, in front of a jury where they could present their innovative solution. And 3 of them were selected, and they receive a prize of 10,000 K the winner, 7.5 the second one, and 5,000 K the third one. All of them, they had to apply from risk countries, so Slovenian women innovators could apply to this goal. In the case of last year, for example, the 3 winners that are here are currently, we are still promoting them. They are still participating. For example, Raquel Verdejo participating in an event that we had this past March to show their solution. Angela Ivanova developed a biodegradable laminal foil. That was what she was showing. Raquel Verdejo, her solution was high-performance sustainable materials. And Todoroka Lepkova, she was developing ceramics for for beehives. The call is now open, so if anyone is interested, and is there any woman innovator here? And it's open until the 5th of July to start with this competition. So this is the stage where 30 of them will be selected to have these 2 rounds of applications. And then the other program that we have is Supernova. And this is to foster the entrepreneurship and leadership of women. This program is not only EIT Manufacturing that we are developing. We are together with EIT Food and EIT Urban Mobility, and we want to support women from both sides of the coin, let's say. So not only women that would like to be entrepreneurs or they are already leading a startup, but also women that would like to be investors. So we know there is a gender gap not only from entrepreneurship perspective, but also from the investor perspective. There are very few women business angel, and women working in venture capital firms. So we want to boost and reduce this gender gap on these 2 perspectives. And we are built, this program is new from this year, and we are built around 4 activities. The first one, Startup Stairway, I will present all of them now, is directly led by EIT Manufacturing. Then we have the Rocket App, Women to Invest, and EIT. We have one of the activities together with the EIC, the European Innovation Council. It's for mentoring and coaching of women leading startups. The Startup Stairway, we have 2 open calls at the moment, and what we want to do is young girls from STEM careers, so from science, more from a technological background, that they are finishing their studies or they have recently graduated, both from university degrees, but also from master's and PhD, and they would like to have their first or second job experience in a startup. It's shown that if they are exposed to this entrepreneurship environment, they are more encouraged then to in the future maybe develop their own business ideas. And the call is open for these young girls now until July, and it's for an internship program of 3 to 6 months around startups around the European Union or associated countries. And then the other call is for those startups that would like to reduce the gender, would like to have a more gender balance personnel, and they will like also to have access to these young talented women. And we offer co-finance of these internship programs. These startups should be from high-tech and deep-tech startups. And what we are promoting is that these young girls work more on the technical side rather than what we usually women work of marketing and administrative tasks. The Rocket Out program is for those startups that are already led by women. So we are offering them internationalization services. They want to expand. They want to access a new market, a new country. And we support them with this mentoring, this coaching, and this presentation to a wider, since we are pan-European, we can offer this access of these new clients all around Europe. The call is also open now and will be open until mid-June for those startups led by women. And then the last activity is Woman to Invest. It's similar of a startup stairway, open call that we currently have for these young girls from STEM careers, but instead of they would like to work on a startup, they would like to work on the investment side. So the call is open for them to have this first or second job opportunity in a venture capital firm or a corporate venture capital firm, and we provide this internship for all around Europe. And until here, my 2 presentations. Thank you all.